Now let's look at the 3 levels. In the first level, when Mario reach here, it needs to stop and jump up. Similarly, when it reach here, it needs to jump up again. So how do we detect Mario reach here? And this whole platform is one sprite. So we need to add something here. We will draw another sprite. I'll just call it step. Okay, and this sprite, which color we are going to use to draw? I want to use the same color as the top of the platform. So you can go to the block and pick the color here. So this color is 39, 64, and 51. Go back to step. I'll choose a color as 39, 64, and 51. I'll draw a rectangle. Small rectangle. I want to place the rectangle here. Okay, let's make it smaller. It will be here. Now let's duplicate this one. Do another one for the next step. Now we need this layer, this step to be behind Mario. Otherwise, if we move here, you can actually see that the step is in front of Mario. It looks very weird. When green flag clicked, I need to go to the back layer. And we don't need this step in level 2 and level 3. Let's do a if else. But we need to put the if else in the forever loop. If else, if level is level 1, I will show. Otherwise, I will hide. Okay, so this is for the step. Now go back to Mario. We must detect when the Mario touch the step. So let's create another block called touch step. If I touch the step, I need to stop whatever I'm doing. So I will set X speed to 0 and I will stop this sprite. Okay, now let's try. So if I touch here, okay, how come I still move? Okay, that's because in the left and right, we need to add the condition here as well. So in the left and right, only if I didn't touch the step, then I can go left and right, right? Even after user press the left or right arrow key, I must check that either I'm level 2 or level 3, I don't have the step so I can move, or I'm level 1, but I'm not touching the step. So let's add another if. If, so we have 2 scenarios. Either level is not level 1. That means I'm in level 2 or level 3, there's no step, I can just move. Or I'm not touching the step. So if this happens, then I will be able to move left and right. Otherwise, I can't move left and right. So let's duplicate this. And this move, we'll put it under if. This one under this if. I'll put it inside if left arrow pressed and if right arrow pressed. Okay, so let's move this up and down a bit. Okay, now let's try again. Reach the step. I have to stop. I can't really move forward, right? Unless I jump up, reach the step, can't move forward. When can I move to level 2? When I'm at the right side, I will be able to move to level 2. So X is about 240. We can go back to here. Okay. When I move left and right, if I reach 240, I need to go to the next level. At if here, if X position is greater than 240. That means I reach the right side, I need to go to the next level. But we need to check if I'm already in level 3, that's the last level, I can't move to the next level. Otherwise, I'll be able to move. So we need to have another if else. If level is already level 3, we'll just ask the Mario to say bye-bye to the user and disappear. I will say bye for 2 seconds, then I will hide myself. Okay. Otherwise, I can go to the next level. I will broadcast to let everyone know that we can go to the next level. Okay. And once I reach the next level, I need to go back to my starting location. So I will go to X start, Y start. And since we hide Mario once it completes level 3, at the start of the game, we need to show Mario. So once we broadcast next level, we need to change the next costume for the block. So go to blocks. When green flag clicked, I'll switch costume to block. But when I receive next level, first I will change level by 1. Then I'll go to next costume. Let's change the costume to the second costume. And for this level 2, we need to make sure that Mario doesn't drop to the water. So we go back to Mario and go to its code. We're going to create a block. call it touch river. And when the Mario touched the blue color, that means it touched the river. So let's have a if touching color. We're going to pick the color of the river. If I touch this color, so I need to change my X speed to 0, and I need to go back to my starting location. So I need to go to X start, Y start. Okay, so this is for level 2. Now, if we look at level 3, we need to check if Mario drops off the cliff. So let's go back to Mario, make a block, call 4. Okay, define 4. If Mario reach here, let's put it maybe minus 170. If I reach here, I'll think that Mario drops off the cliff. So if my Y position is less than minus 170, I drop off the cliff. So I'll do the same as this one. Set X speed to 0, go to the starting location. I need to set the Y speed to 0 as well. And for touch river and fall, similarly, we need to keep on checking. So go to events, when green flag clicked, have a forever loop to check if it falls off the cliff or if it touched the river.